Hi and welcome to Spice and Pans. Today we'll be cooking prawn paste chicken pot. So let's start cooking. Now we are going to marinate our chicken first. I have with me over here half a kilogram or 2 pieces of boneless chicken thigh, cut into pieces like this. I'm going to add in 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. Add in also 1 tablespoon of shrimp paste. You can get this from supermarket, no problem. Easily available. Add in 1 teaspoon of sugar to balance the taste. A few dashes of crushed white pepper. You'll mix them up well together first. After you have mixed them up well, you'll add in 2 tablespoons of cornflour. Mix them up well too. And finally, we add in 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. Mix them up well. We'll leave them to marinate for approximately 10 to 15 minutes. I'll see you back in a while. Now we'll put the dish together. At medium heat, heat up a clay pot. If you don't have a clay pot, you can always use a pan, no problem. Add in oil. You need to add a little bit more for this. Add in 1 yellow onion, sliced. Red onion will do finely too, no problem. 6 pieces of shallots, sliced in half. 5 cloves of garlic, sliced in half. Mix them up first. Make sure you move them around and oil the whole clay pot. Next we'll add in 3 dried chilli which I've soaked and hydrated. Cut in half too. Put it in. If you don't like it too spicy, you can always deseed like what I've done. You can always omit the dried chilli, no problem. It smells really good right now. Garlic, onion, shallots, chilli. These form the basis of this dish. Okay, now that this is done, we'll add in our chicken. Just brown it a little. Do not worry if they are sticking to your clay pot because we'll be deglazing this later. Just move them around so that the chicken can actually be a little bit cooked on the outside. Next we'll add in the stem of a spring onion. Just the white part will be fine. Right. Now we'll add in half a cup of Chinese rice wine. Just stir them up a little bit. Now we'll add in half a cup of water. Give it a little stir. We'll put in the rest of the spring onion. Just put it on top. Add in also 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce. You don't really have to stir them now, no problem. Just leave them like this. At medium heat, we'll put the lid on and let this cook for approximately 6 to 8 minutes. I'll see you back in a while. 6 minutes is up. Let's have a look. Wow, smells really good. Finally, we'll add in a small bunch of coriander leaves. And our dish is done. Let's go for our lunch. And now the dish is done. Let's have a taste. The chicken is extremely tender. The sauce with the chicken, especially on steamed rice, I think this is really a very good dish. So ladies and gentlemen, I hope you like our video. Do click like on our video and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.